Marhaba people. Morning.
Where are we going?
Wahat Al Watan. Run for UAE.
Hi guys! So today is April 18 and attend kami ng Run for the Nation dito sa Abu Dhabi. So meron silang pa-free shirt and bags and kit mamaya. And hindi namin siya nakuha kahapon kasi kahapon yung kuhaan nun. So kinuha na lang ng friend namin kasi yung bahay namin is malayo sa Abu Dhabi City. So, ayan. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa starting point. So, start ng run is 8 AM. Ewan ko kung bakit medyo late ang start. Kasi normally kapag may mga run dito, nag-start ng 5 AM, 6 AM, ganun. So, titingnan natin kung gaano ba karami ang tatakbo para sa nation. Ang tatakbo para sa
Nation.
nation. So, let's see. See you later. Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you? Good morning.
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel.
Run for the nation.
Abu Dhabi number 1.
Really? Dami tao.
Showing unity, showing pride. You will remember.
Mag-run na kami. Let's go. Run.
Wow, wow.